Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Fireblocks to crypto wallets for secure sending. Complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Fireblocks account. Navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Wallets section. Click on Add Wallet. Choose the type of wallet you want to connect. Select whether it's a hot or cold wallet. Fill in the required wallet information. Ensure you include the wallet address correctly. Confirm that the wallet is compatible with Fireblocks. Review the security settings for the wallet. Adjust any settings needed for enhanced security. Click on Connect Wallet. Wait for the verification process to complete. Follow any on-screen prompts for additional authentication. Once verified, your wallet will appear in the list. Go to the Send section in your dashboard. Select the newly connected wallet. Input the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send. Double-check the recipient's wallet address. Ensure that all transaction details are accurate. Review any applicable fees associated with the transaction. Click on Send to initiate the transfer. Monitor the progress of your transaction in the dashboard. Upon completion, confirm that the funds have been received in the recipient's wallet. Repeat the process as necessary for future transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.